Good afternoon, everyone. Here is my presentation on the modality and redundancy principles. The modality principle states that words as speech are rather than on-screen text. So this is my example of the modality principle. The picture shows an RNA and DNA strand. It gives the nitrogenous bases for each, and it also shows them the different structures. As a teacher, I would say DNA is deoxyribose nucleic acid, and it is made up of cytosine, guanine, adenine, and thymine. While RNA is ribonucleic acid made up of cytosine, guanine, adenine, and uracil. DNA is a double helix structure, while RNA is single structure. DNA never leaves the nucleus of the cell, while RNA does. DNA also is only one form, while RNA takes three forms: mRNA, tRNA, and rRNA. This, however, is the example or the non-example of the modality principle. So all of the words that I just stated in the previous slide is now on the left side of the slide. And so in the non-example, I would repeat everything I just said while also having the words on the side. So in this case, the kids would either listen to me and write, or listen to me and not write, or write and not focus on the graphic, which is what's important. Next, we have the redundancy example. The redundancy principle states that learners learn better with animation and narration, no text. So this is a graphic of how DNA turns into proteins, and it's a three-step process. So first you have DNA replication, then you have, which is when DNA simply copies itself, then you have DNA transcription, which is how DNA becomes RNA, and then last but not least you have RNA becoming protein. And as you can see, there's no text on the screen. And then lastly, the non-example, redundancy non-example. So the text on the screen simply repeats what the teacher would say, and it's slightly more complicated, the bold and things like that, so the kids may overlook the actual steps, but just focus on the bold letters, which was another part of the redundancy non-example.